Hi, welcome to Shibaura Machine's e-learning 108 tips for successful injection molding. This is C. Somaskandan, Head Application Engineering, Shibaura Machines India Private Limited. Let's learn how to avoid bubble in injection molded plastic parts. What is bubble? Bubble is a small hollow packet, maybe filled with air or gas in a molded part. It comes anywhere on a part, maybe on a surface or on a thinner section or at the edges of the molded part. Factors causing bubble in a molded part can be by a machine or by a mold or by the process setting or by the polymer. Let's learn how to differentiate and how to avoid these bubbles. Using the right polymer is paramount important in avoiding bubbles in a molded part. In today's scenario, many new polymers are being used. Selecting the right parameter is important in concluding on the polymers. Moisture in polymer leads for formation of bubbles in molded part. If the material is hygroscopic in nature, the moisture settles in the polymer. It needs to be pre-dried properly before using on injection molding machine. Ensuring the compatibility of additives and colorants with base polymer avoids bubble formation in the molded part. Let us select the right additives and colorants suitable for the polymer. Pre-drying the polymer if it is hygroscopic in nature. Using the right additive and colorants which is compatible to the base polymer avoids bubble formation in molded part.